It's a Health Stream bench press, and they're rusty, so they're cheaper. I can get like $2 a kilo, $200 right there. The amount of work I put into refurbishing these, and then the profit that I make, it's decent, but every dollar counts. This month, I'm putting some money back into the business, and we're just going to see how it goes and see if we made a mistake or not. So it's all about the fitness this month. Let's see how much money we can invest and how much money we can get back with fitness equipment on Facebook Marketplace. I just don't think now's the time to be selling gym stuff, which is why I'm collecting gym stuff, because people are throwing gym stuff out. Now's the time to gather. All this has to be not in here by tomorrow, 9 AM. I have one day before my brother and his wife brings their stuff in. The Bowflex system I need to put together. 2 complete basketball systems. Hyper extension multi-pulley gym. Got the bench here. Outside we've got another strict weight bench. 2 barbells. The amount of weight plates we have, oh man, maybe like 400 kilos. And I've got a basketball rack. We've got 2 exercise bikes, 2 golf bags. One sold yesterday. Golf cart. Oh, I've got a bunch of golf clubs. I have one day before my brother and his wife brings their stuff in, which is cool. I'm like, when they watch this, like, they're probably gonna feel bad, but it's like, don't feel bad, guys. I want you to put your stuff in here. I would love to help family. So we're gonna put all this stuff here for 3 months, but it just means that I need to get all this stuff outside. I need the grass to come. We're getting there. We need to have floor down there so I can put the second tent up. Gotten rid of like all the leaves, maybe total like 35 garbage bags. The stones, I decided to get rid of them because things were going well with garbage bags. 20-litre bucket. Once the grass goes down, I'm gonna empty this, move it over here onto the grass. But the grass has not come. So then I can start putting all this stuff in before tomorrow morning. Because the movers are coming, there's a big truck coming, and my brother stuff is going to go there. That's the plan. But I can't do the plan until the grass is doing the plan as well. 4 bags of 20 kilos worth of paving sand, and all of this means I can finally have more space for the workshop outside. Plants won the battle, then they also won the war, and they will continue to live. Well, it's 3:30 and the grass has not arrived. I honestly had no idea I was gonna even get this far at all. For someone who doesn't really know what they're doing, it's not bad. Here is the Henry Griffiths bag. The guy that gave it to me had no idea what he was giving to me. This actually was a $800 bag at one stage. He said it was his brother's stuff, and he was just getting rid of his brother's stuff. Then we looked at this price tag, and I said, is that how much it costs? And he goes, nah, can't be. But I did see it run through his mind, because he was putting it in the car for free at that moment. It's probably in his best interest to believe that somebody went to the effort to put a fake price tag on it. It looks great, but none of the zippers work, because they're all just crusted shut, though I'm looking up how to fix that. If I can get the zippers to work, this bag will fetch a pretty penny. Just tested out this bike. It's actually amazing. Pro Form. I didn't think this bike was like all that great. I was thinking of selling it for like 45 bucks, but it's way better than the one I sold for 65. What's cool about this one is that you can actually put this is a mount or like a screen. You can watch yourself like cycling down a mountain. Put 4 D-size batteries in. It's got so many options, but it's all digital. And if you don't like how loud it is, you can turn it down. And it's down. Whatever iFit is, it's probably something that connects to the screen you can get. And this fan turns on. Press this fan button. Look at that. This is the 210, but the newest one is selling in Rebel Sport for like almost $600. So the grass just arrived. Oh my goodness. I could have brought like 4 to 5 home gyms home just yesterday. To put all all this stuff in the tent, and to be quite honest, I don't think all this is going to fit anywhere near in the tent. By then I'll be hungry.